If you're trying to log in to your Amazon.com account, then you've come to the right video because I'm going to show you the process that you need to log in to your Amazon account. Now before I get into the video, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more similar videos. Now you can do this process either using the app of Amazon or the website. For this video, we're going to use the website. So open up your web browser and search for Amazon.com. Once you hit search, you'll land on the website of Amazon.com, which will look something like this. Now all you need to do is click on an option which says sign in on the top, and a sign in box will open up. Now here you need to type in your email address or the phone number linked with your Amazon account. If you don't remember either of those, you can click on need help and recover your email address. If you do remember, type it in and click on continue. In the next step, you'll need to type in the password of your account. If you don't remember your password also, you can click on forgot your password and follow the steps and create a new one. If you do remember it, type it in, and if you want to stay signed in the next time you open up, make sure you check this box and click on sign in. And as easy as that, you'll be logged in to your Amazon account. So this was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. And that's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.